Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is October 10th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Tesla down 11 cents, 0.05%. Closed at 222.96. Post-market, we seem to be down a further 57 cents. Let's look at what we have here on the chart. Yeah, a couple of days ago, we crossed this upward support right here. And now we have been 2 days into it. Today, this is a undecided day. Last Friday was clear. Big red candle, the stock is moving down. Today we moved up, we moved down, and then we finished pretty much where we were yesterday. The market is a little bit undecided today. Let's go look at the 1 hour chart. So yeah, we see it very well here. This was Friday. This is today here. We had a bigger volume, as we oftentimes have. Bigger volume during the first hour of the day. Then we came back down and look at how sideways we are. This is a very tight range. People don't know what to do with this stock right now. They don't know what to do. Look at this. This is extremely tight range. This won't last a long time. Stocks move. Tesla stock especially, it moves. It does not stand still for a long time. Looking at the indicators, everything is in the tanks. RSI is in the oversold region. It has been oversold, but it does not mean that it's going to shoot back up only because it goes into the oversold position. It can remain there for a little while. MACD all negative, and DMI also all negative. And we also are in a tight downward range right here. So in this case, this is the tight range we are in. A very tight range. A very tight downward channel right here. When a stock is into a downward channel like this and then goes into a smaller one like this, I tend to use the closest resistance as a buy signal if we cross it with a good stochastic. I don't know if we might get a good stochastic if we cross it, because it's so tight it's going to take a couple of days here, and maybe this is not going to be enough. But if it was enough, I tend to go with the interior. Resistance. Stay tuned for my next video, where we are going to take a look at the VIX Dow Jones to understand the broader market as a whole. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.